So today we're going to start our first iOS program. So let's double click the Xcode and then click the create project. Now see here at the top we see the option of iOS, Mac OS, iPad, Apple Watch, Mac and Apple TV. This all kind of program we can create using this Xcode. But we are still in a very beginning stage, so we don't go too complicated type of the program. So we start from the very simple and easy program. So we select the app here and then we select the, so from the top menu we select the iOS and then in application we select the app and we press the next button. Okay, from here we have to fill up these few details. Okay, third option we see here is the organization identifier. What is the organization identifier? Organization identifier is the unique name that identifies you or your company. Example, the com dot your name or com dot your company name, webshare IT, or simple explanation, think of it like your company or family name. It helps Apple know who created the app. The fourth is the bundle identifier. What does it mean? The unique ID of your application. It is created automatically using the organization identifier and product name. For example, the com.ahmedhussain.hello world. So we leave that blank as well. We just leave it as it is. And then the interface. What is it? The interface, this tells the Xcode how we will design our applications. We choose the Swift user interface here, or also we can use the user kit, but that is the old version used to do that. So simply we will leave it as it is. The user interface is the Swift user interface. The fifth option is the language. So what language we are using to create the applications? So this is the programming language to write the application, so we choose here the Swift. Testing system help developer to test whether their application work correctly or not. Storage, this is the tells the application how to save data. Example, none or Swift data or core data. So at the moment we leave it as it is. Okay, before press the create button, we need to understand the few little things that I'm gonna explain you in detail. First, I select here the desktop. So we are going to save this our application on our desktop. So which is easy for us to find out easily on our desktop. And then second option is here. You see this create the git repository. So we uncheck that git repository because at the moment we are just creating the simple hello world application. And just let me explain you what is the git repository. Git repository is the memory in a cloud where we save our code, and then in a future when we want to use that code or we want to share our this code with the other developer, so they can access that git repository and they can access our code from there. So at the moment we are not going to load that into our cloud memory, so we just take this uncheck button and then we press the create button. So here is our first application is created. See this is the most important file, that is we call it the content view dot swift. So this is our execution file which gonna run our Apple phone, and here is the text, whatever changes we want we can do it here. So this all gonna run on our Apple phone. On left hand side is a navigations bar, so these all files are automatically created by the Xcode. So let's start and run our first application. So press this play head button at the top and then say run. Now this our first application has been created for the Apple iOS. Congratulations, we have created our first project. Now from the stop button we're gonna stop it from here, and our application is stopped. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icons and turn on the notification. Like if you enjoy this video, comment, share your thoughts.